How to see your Gmail password from mobile. If any day any of you are a Gmail user and you would like to see your Gmail password from your mobile but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to launch the very Gmail account on your very mobile device and tap on Gmail. After you tap on Gmail, you can see an interface like this. Now, what you have to do is you have to go to the very next option. Now, since you would like to see your very option, you have to go to the option of the manage your Gmail account or the Google account and then tap on that. After you tap on the option of manage your Google account, or you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you can go to the option of the personal info. And after you tap on the option of the personal info, if you'd like to see a password, you can go to the option of password like this and then tap on that. Now, after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. You have to wait for a while because sometimes it may be just low because of your very space, or it may be also due to your very Wi-Fi or your data connection or your internet connection. Now, while typing on your various entering password, what you can do is if it's saved, you can just go to the option show the password, and here if it's saved on your mobile device, you can just check your very password here, and this way you can see your password on your very Gmail or the Google account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.